Hello, great learners. This is Math Theatre TV. On this channel, we groom our grade 5, grade 9, and grade 12 on mathematics. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time, smash the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post some of these exciting lectures. For our grade 12 learners, today we look at indices in algebraic terms and powers, and we have two interesting questions here. The first one says 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power n minus 1, or ratio 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power n minus 27 times 3 to the power n minus 1. Now if you look closely at the denominator, you agree with me that 3 to the power 3 is the same thing as what? 27 by expansion. So this will give us 3 raised to the power n minus 3 raised to the power n minus 1, all ratio 3 raised to the power 3 is the same thing as 27, then times 3 raised to the power n minus 27 times 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So there's 27 here, there's 27 here, which simply means that 27 is a common factor between this expression. So by factorization, we're going to have 3n minus 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So the denominator we're going to factorize. We'll bring out 27. Since 27 is a common factor, open our bracket. 27 divided into this expression, we have 3 to the power n remaining. 27 divided into this expression, we have 3 to the power n minus 1 remaining. Now, if you observe closely, you agree with me that what the expression we have in the bracket is same as what we have at the numerator. So both of them will cancel out. And now give us 1 when they divide themselves. So we have 1 all ratio what? 27 as the answer to this what? To this problem. Now let's see the second question there. Here we have 7 to the power x times 49 all raised to the power x minus 1 all raised to 343 all raised to the power x plus 1. Now the 7 here is a factor of this and this, which simply means that 49 can be expressed as an index of 7. Likewise, 343 can be expressed as an index of 7 as well. So if we do that, we're going to have 7 to the power x times 49 is same thing as 7 raised to the power 2 into bracket x minus 1. Then at the denominator, 343 is the same thing as 7 raised to the power 3 into x plus 1. Now, if you open the bracket up, we're going to have, by indices, the 7 here, since they are the same, we pick one of the 7 and we add the powers as one of the laws of indices that state that when you're multiplying two similar terms, you pick one, then you add the powers. So that gives us x plus, by removing the bracket, now we have 2 times x, that's 2x, 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Then at the denominator, we have 7, 3 times x, that's 3x, 3 times plus 1, that's plus 3. Also again, the sign here is division, and also from indices law, we are told that what, if we are dividing similar terms, we should pick one of the base and do what with powers and subtract the power. So this will give us 7, x plus x here is 3x, minus 2, then by reason of what, division sign, we subtract, then we have 3x plus 3. Now if we remove the bracket, then we have 7 raised to the power 3x minus 2, minus times this is minus 3x, and minus times plus 3 is minus 3. Now 3x minus 3x, that will give us 0. Then minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5. So the solution there is 7 raised to the power minus 5. Then 1 put in the fraction, that will be 1 all raised to 7 to the power 5. And that's the solution to that very what? That very expression. So if you got any value from today's lecture, one more time, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so that when next we post some of these exciting lectures, you get instant notification. So until we post the next lecture, do well to take care, and don't forget, if you have any questions, leave them on the comment section. I'm going to give answers to each of your questions. Until I see you again, do take care and stay blessed.